Here is a repeatable way to turn a collection of difficult problems into verified explainer videos with Golpo. The key is not to generate every video immediately. We work through a controlled sequence: collect, draft, verify, correct, render, and publish. Start with the source collection. In this example, Harvard's Problem of the Week page pairs each numbered problem with a published solution. We selected problems 89 through 85. Keep each problem, its solution, and its source links together. If automatic downloads are blocked, respect the site's access controls and use an authorized browser workflow. Next, open VS Code, Cursor, or another assistant-enabled IDE. Paste a prompt that tells Codex or your chosen assistant to use the Golpo skill, Golpo MCP, or Golpo API. Ask for an auto-length, step-by-step tutorial script only. Tell it not to render yet and require the job ID, video ID, and full script in the response. Under the hood, the first request sets timing to auto and just return script to true. Golpo returns two identifiers. The job ID is used to poll this processing step. The video ID identifies the generation record that we will resume later. When script text appears, save the draft and both identifiers together. This script-only stage uses 10% of the job credits. It gives us an inexpensive review point before drawings, narration, and animation are rendered. Now, verify the mathematics, not just the final answer. Compare each definition, force balance, recurrence, approximation, and conclusion with the published solution. If no authoritative solution exists, ask a strong reasoning model for an independent derivation, test limiting or numerical cases, and use qualified human review where the stakes require it. The 5-problem test shows why this gate matters. 3 auto drafts passed or needed only a wording edit. 2 confident-looking drafts were mathematically wrong. Problem 89 reversed a force balance. Problem 85 invented the wrong recurrence. Both were corrected before any final video was rendered. After the corrected script passes a second review, resume the same Golpo generation. Send the saved video ID and the approved text as new script. Choose Golpo Canvas, auto duration, marker illustrations, a stylus drawing animation, large equations, and consistent labels. The API returns a new rendering job ID for polling, while the video ID keeps the work attached to the original generation. This rendering step uses the remaining 90% of the credits. Together, the 10% script stage and 90% render stage equal one complete job. Finally, inspect the completed videos. Check that every variable matches the source, formulas are grouped correctly, diagrams use consistent labels, captions preserve the mathematics, and the final answer agrees with the approved script. Then download the MP4 and publish it on YouTube or embed it on your website with the original problem and solution links. The result is a scalable workflow with a deliberate human quality gate. 5 source problems, 5 Golpo scripts, 5 source checks, 2 corrected derivations, and 5 finished explainer videos. The API provides the scale. The script first review makes the scale responsible.